Hello everyone, is your car struggling with erratic engine performance, unexpected power loss, or even poor fuel efficiency? If your obd2 scanner has shown the P0640 code, it points to an issue with the intake air heater control circuit. This problem can cause cold start difficulties, rough idling, and increased emissions. In this video, I'll explain what P0640 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key components to fix the issue. Let's get started. What is P0640? The P0640 code stands for Intake Air Heater Control Circuit Open. This means the circuit controlling the intake air heater is either broken, disconnected, or malfunctioning. The intake air heater is critical for helping diesel engines start in cold conditions by warming the incoming air before combustion. Common symptoms of P0640: check engine light on hard starts, especially in cold weather. Rough idling after startup, increased black smoke from the exhaust, reduced fuel efficiency. If your vehicle shows any of these symptoms, it's time to locate and inspect the affected components. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0640, check these key components. Intake air heater, grid heater or glow plug heater. Location, mounted inside or near the intake manifold, usually before the throttle body in diesel engines. Function, heats incoming air to assist with cold starts. Intake air heater. Relay location, in the fuse relay box, usually under the hood. Function, controls power to the intake air heater. Intake air heater control module location near the firewall or on the side of the engine depending on the vehicle model. Function, manages heater operation based on temperature sensors. Engine control unit, ECU PCM. Location, usually found under the hood or inside the cabin near the firewall. Function, monitors and controls the intake air heater circuit. Wiring and connectors. Location, between the intake air heater, relay, control module and ECU. Function, ensures proper power and communication between components. Common causes of P0640 faulty intake air heater. If the heating element burns out, it won't warm the intake air properly. Bad intake air heater relay. A malfunctioning relay can cut off power to the heater. Blown fuse. A fuse protecting the heater circuit may be damaged. Broken or corroded wiring. Any disconnection in the circuit can cause this error. Defective intake air heater control module. If the control module fails, it won't manage the heater properly. ECU PCM issues. A rare but possible cause is a failing engine control unit. How to fix P0640. Step 1. Check the fuse and relay. Locate the intake air heater fuse and relay in the fuse box and replace them if blown. Step 2. Inspect the intake air heater. If the heater element is bad, replace it. Step 3. Test the heater control module. Use a multimeter to check voltage signals and replace if needed. Step 4. Check for wiring damage. Look for broken, melted, or corroded wires in the heater circuit. Step 5. Reset the code and test drive. After fixing the issue, clear the code using an obd2 scanner and check if it returns. Ignoring P0640 can cause hard starting, poor fuel economy, and increased emissions, especially in cold weather. Fixing this issue restores proper combustion and helps your engine start smoothly. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0534, AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit intermittent. P0535, AC evaporator temperature sensor circuit malfunction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.